Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. We clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 27th to March 13th. This is for the period February 27th to March 3rd. And to understand what's going on in the weather across in the flow across North America, you got to look and see what's going on over in Asia, Eastern Asia. You can see we have a ridge here, trough up to the north. As we go to the period, that trough doesn't really sink south. So with this ridge over Eastern Asia favors a ridge in the east, and that's just what we're going to happen. And we'll take a look at the flow now. This is for the 27th. We start off at the beginning of the period. We still have a ridge here near the Aleutians or over the Eastern Pacific. We also have a ridge here over the Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, with above normal heights in the east. And we still have this upper low over northern Canada, with a trough extending down across the western and northern states. Just to mention that the polar vortex is strong now and has coupled, and that means milder temperatures across the country. And I'm going to show that milder than what we had. Some areas will still be cold, but not as cold as we have been, and especially in the east. Now, during this forecast period, there remains a threat of a heavy rain event across from the southern plains into Tennessee Valley and the southern Appalachians. And this will be from this weekend into early next week. Now, this will come from this upper low that is moving out of the southwest and will interact with Gulf moisture, and then also with a slow-moving frontal boundary, and this will bring heavy precipitation from the southern plains into Tennessee Valley, like I said, for this weekend into next week. And we'll have Pacific energy that will continue to enter the west. This will bring precipitation to central northern Rockies with heavy elevation snows. Wintry weather will be possible across parts of the upper Great Lakes on Saturday. We're here on Sunday. On Saturday, as a system moves through, and on Saturday, and then the Midwest Sunday and Sunday night, and across northern New England Monday into Monday night. You can see right here. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for March 4th to the 8th. And a zone of flow is forecast across the country. And we have a trough over western North America. You can see right here, extending into here. So have our ridge here of the Gulf of Mexico, above normal heights in the east. And here's our upper low. The European ensembles, we'll take a look at that, which one is the European ensembles. Right here. Brings a trough into the northeast. But then as we look at let me see if I have the right map. Right here, this is European weeklies. And this has, for this period, a large area of positive height anomalies here across much of the east, across much of the country, stronger in the east, and has the trough or upper low here over the southwest. Okay, so for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for portions of the west with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the country, and we'll have anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees will be possible across a large portion of the country. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence up to 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for March 9th to 13th. And little overall change expected in circulation. We still have our ridge here near the Aleutians. A little bit of a trough occurring here in the west. Zone of flow at above normal heights in the east. So I'm calling for this forecast period below normal temperatures for the West Coast, with anomalies close to 2 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the remainder of the country, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, expecting below normal precipitation for much of the nation covered here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 27th through March 13th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.